dog. Come out here with me. Stop videotaping and come out here with me.
You just farted! You did, I heard that.
Idiot. Back it up some.
Alright, ready? Let's take a video.
Like,
Ready? We're gonna sing. Ready?
I'll lick you.
What are you singing?
I like so I put my hands up.
I'm on a boat!
Come on, please come on.
I was like, nah. This bitch is crazy.
What?
It's over! It's over! Look at my ring she bought me. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. I don't think my flash
I
is
want little Sarah Jr. to die.
Look at that.
Baby with you.
It's over!
Do I? I just like cookies. Alright, seriously, come on, Katie.
Where's those cute boys?
I don't know. Beat it. Stop it! You want to see how far my leg can stretch?
Yes.
Are you going to help me with this?
No.
Why not? Stretch it up.
Okay, stop it.
Yes.
Okay, stop it. What's up now, big dog?
I'm burning my rain.
There goes Jessica's phone.
What up, girl? What up? What up?
Can I have my phone? I'll stop recording.
You can see other people in the car.
Look at him, dude.
He's asleep. He's sleeping. Shake your legs.
Where's those cute boys? They're all the way to the
Oh man, there's a yellow car. That's an X-Man on a yellow car. You know what? Two ugly ass old men just go.
This video's like 20 minutes long, Sarah.